back again with the Angry Bird. Going down, find a geocache. Me and the Angry Bird. Come on, come on. Oh, let's see here. We are. That's interesting. Come on. We're getting close. Alright, I think we should be right around here somewhere. Probably right over on the other side of this. Pointing in that way. Let's go check it out. Here's a path. And let's see. Oh! There it is! Right there. You see it yet?
Oh yeah.
There you go.
Okay.
Alright. Alright, and we found it, and we're going to sign the log, and anything to say, Angry Bird? Mm-hmm. Say it. You found it.
Angry Bird.
Angry Bird. Alright, just got to the next one. Angry Birds. Ready to go. Hold on. GPS is going nuts. I think it's... We're close. I'm going to say back here. Don't touch anything. Because I don't know what's on the ground. It's dirty. Alright, we're close. Hold on. Oh, we walked right by it. Turn back, and there it is! In the tree, look up. In the tree, look in this tree. No, it's just a little one. Alright, we're gonna sign the log. Thanks for watching.
Get me out!
Okay, you gonna say bye?
No.